Under the heading for hearing serial number 18, the governing body Pranav Chatterjee versus Mahesh Datta Singh and others for the appellant Sri Suresh Chandagiri.
Yes. Registrar Secretary is present.
Yes, my lords. The Registrar Veerpun Singh in compliance is present.
Where is the which is the relevant executive order or rules in respect of regularization of lecturers who are appointed on ad hoc basis?
My lords, as I have received instructions from him, neither in the Universities Act, nor in the university statutes, there is any provision for regularization of any ad hoc appointees in a affiliated college.
Huh?
This is an affiliated college, not a constituent college of the university.
Affiliated college?
There is a difference between constituent college and affiliated college. My lord, constituent colleges are created by the universities, whereas affiliation is granted to private colleges when they fulfill certain conditions. So they are in fact governed by a governing body under the Bihar Universities Act, and it is the governing body who is the appointing authority of their lecturers. They only after making appointment send their recommendation to the university, and university after looking into it grants approval. That is the only function of the university with respect to affiliated colleges.
There is no regularization rules or executive order?
For the affiliated colleges, my lords, he has gone through the act and the rules, the statutes. My lords, there is no provision.
There is no provision for
only
affiliated
appointment.
college.
Provision is for appointment by the selection committee.
Yes, so
appointment and promotion.
Who is for the respondent?
The respondent.
Lord, there is one provision, section 59(2) of the Bihar State Universities Act, which governs with respect to the appointment.
Where is that? 59.
Bihar State Universities Act, Your Lord. 1970.
हाँ? क्या बात करते हैं पता नहीं. Ask him, don't search here, go and ask him which is the title of the how is it relevant?
Lord,
Where is the regularization provision?
there is no such word regularization is
Then you are not entitled for regularization.
Kindly see, Lord. The regularization is, Lord.
No, who is appearing for Mahesh Dutt Singh?
I am appearing for Mahesh Dutt Singh, Your Lord.
Then you are not entitled.
No, Lord. It is not a case of regularization, Your Lordship.
Huh?
My name was recommended by the Bihar College Service Commission. My joining was accepted by the college, and till date I am continuing.
Correct. Where is the provision that you are entitled for absorption and regularization?
My lord, so far appointment is concerned, it is governed by the Bihar College Service Commission. Bihar College Service Commission. I am referring your lordships.
Sir, your grievance is that you are entitled to absorption or regularization. Correct. Under which provision of law?
My lord, I am entitled. My name was recommended by the Bihar
Sir,
College.
rightly or wrongly, your name has been recommended.
No, right, it has been rightly.
Which is the, where do you get your right, vested right?
Then in that case, my lordship, the governing body of the college, the governing body of the college will accept my joining. My joining was accepted.
Accepted, all right, sir. Where do you get right? Under statute.
My lord, the governing body, kindly see, my lord, the
Mr. Counsel, please answer to the court question. Simple question is, are you entitled for regularization or not? Regularization or absorption? You show me your right. Right is accrued in this statute or rules.
my lord, kindly see the.
Fact remains
There
that
is an
it is an
amendment,
affiliated
provisions,
college.
your lordships. Section 57A, capital A,
7A of what is the title of the act?
lordships.
7A of title of the act.
Bihar State Universities Act.
Bihar?
Bihar State Universities Act 1970.
University Act.
Yes, please.
Yes, where is the
Very same act,
university?
your lordship.
Same.
Section 8.
Section 57.
7A.
Section 57, capital A.
57.
Not, I will read only this provision, it will clarify all the position, your lordships.
57A,
57, capital A.
capital A.
ये दे दीजिए.
Yes, read.
My lord, I am reading the preamble, why it was,
This is for direct recruitment.
my lord,
This is for direct recruitment, not for absorption.
this is with respect to the persons who have been appointed on the post of lecturer or assistant professor in the affiliated college, your lordships. Whereas the state government has
Where is
taken a
the,
policy
selection
decision to
committee?
abolish the Bit Rahit Shiksha Niti and to provide grants to the institutions including degree colleges by resolution number so and so, so and so. In course of distribution of grants amongst the teachers of the affiliated colleges degrees, it has been noticed that many of the teachers working in such colleges for long duration were appointed by the governing body of the colleges. However, erstwhile,
No, it is not relating to absorption or regularization.
my lord, there was no such provision.
So this your limited question is whether are you entitled for absorption or regularization.
Lord,
That is not
I am
there.
entitled for my appointment letters because
Appointment as and when the post is advertised. You go and make application.
No, kindly see me, Lord.
Only when it becomes constituent, then you can agitate all the
It
claims.
is not a question because I have served 33 years and I am going to retire. And kindly see your lordships. The practice in the state of Bihar is that whenever the
Sir, we are bound by rules and statute, not practice.
well, the governing body act like this. Therefore, this provision has came in order to remove the bottleneck in the state of Bihar. Kindly see, bear with me. Now there is a provision that the selection committee, the university will constitute a selection committee, and selection committee
To select what type of
teachers.
candidates.
My lord.
Please let me know.
No, my lord. Not the fresh candidates.
Huh.
There are two requirements with respect to the regularization and approval by the university. Number
You are,
one,
please don't use the regularization word. It is not
no,
forthcoming in the year.
approval of the appointment, my lord, by the governing body.
Huh.
The first condition is the lecturers must have been appointed prior to 19/4/2007.
Where is that clause?
My lord. My lord, kindly refer to I have stated that. My lord, number 2, by which the provision has been added at section 6. The selection committee subject to this act will complete the scrutiny of the cases of the teachers of the affiliated degree colleges appointed prior to 19/4/2007 without the recommendation of the Bihar College Service Commission on the basis of the qualification in force at the time of appointment of such teachers up to such and such date. Thereafter, the governing body of the college will accept the names recommended by the selection committee, which shall be finally approved by the concerned universities. This is the provisions, Your Lordships.
When were you appointed?
My Lord, I was appointed in the year 1988.
Where is your representation with reference to this clause?
Lordships.
Where is your representation with reference to this clause?
My Lord, so far my representation is concerned, Lordships. Since my joining was accepted, therefore
Sir,
it
all
was
right, sir.
the
You are asking for a writ of mandamus.
this exercise has to be done by the governing body itself, my Lord. Not only my case. All cases, all those persons.
That has been forwarded to the university.
No, my Lord.
Huh?
The governing body will forwarded the matter to the university for approval.
That is what I am asking you, whether governing body has forwarded the papers to the university.
Lordship.
On what date?
Lord, I don't know when it has been. It is not my in my case the governing body is not forwarding.
If you don't know, we can't catch hold the university.
The professor in charge, the appellant number 2, who has been appointed as on the post of lecturer, was not having requisite qualification. He was appointed, despite though his name
Who
was.
is appearing for body college?
Milord, I am appearing for Milord.
On what date you have forwarded the papers to the university?
Yes, Milord. My Lord, may kindly see Annex 3 to the writ petition.
Please answer, please.
Milord, his
On what date you have recommended?
Milord, I have not recommended. I have not recommended only because, Milord, the recommendation to which the College Service Commission has sent in his favor, there was a condition that there must be affiliation to the college in the subject. There was no affiliation to the college in science subject, and, Milord, that recommendation is only valid for 1 year under Section 9 of the Bihar College Service Commission Act 1976.
Have you rejected his claim?
Yes.
By passing a order?
Yes, Milord.
Show me the order.
Rejection order, Milord.
Rejection order.
Yes, Milord.
May I say?
Milord, this founder secretary is also present. My Lord has
Sir,
called.
show me the rejection order. I don't want your university or.
Yes, Milord, I am showing. Milord, this is the rejection order with decision taken by the Milord governing body of the college.
No, have you communicated to the petitioner?
Yes, Milord.
No,
yes.
my Lord, no, my Lord.
Yes, that is the.
On what date you have communicated?
That is also not on the record of the case.
Sir, I am asking him, I don't know why, what is the problem with you?
Ask them, college authorities, whether this decision has been communicated to the petitioner.
Pursuant to this resolution number 6,
Please sit down.
Mr.
Yes.
Singh, Mr. Singh, pursuant to resolution by your college,
Milord.
whether this was communicated to him or not.
Milord, I have communicated.
Where is that letter? Where is that document?
Communication.
Yes. You took a decision.
Milord, I can bring in. Milord. That is with the college.
Why don't you annex that document with the counter?
Milord, that has not been annexed. Milord, other all documents have been annexed with the counter
Correct, but you
affidavit.
have brought all the records except that.
Except that.
So now you are going to create that document that
No.
it has been served on him.
No, there is no
Then why
question
you
of.
are not brought?
When he is making a categorical statement
Because
that you never
because
done.
Milord, because of the under the act, it was the life of the recommendation was lapsed.
Mr. Counsel, we are asking you a simple question.
Milord,
You are rightly or wrongly taken a decision that the petitioner is not entitled to
Milord,
approval of his appointment.
Milord.
Correct?
Milord.
That decision has been communicated to him or not?
yes, Milord.
Where is the document?
document is not today.
Why you want to go and create now? Is it?
Milord, that I have not brought, Milord.
My lord, contrary to that, a false statement
And-
has been made in the counter affidavit in this respective letter.
Sir, rightly or wrongly, they have rejected. You have to challenge that.
Lordship, kindly see what a statement they have made in the counter. Only one paragraph number 9 I am placing, Lordship. For Lordship satisfaction, what they have stated in para 9.
What, they have not stated that your case is rejected?
No. What they have stated.
For the first time, they are saying now.
For the first time, your Lordships. And what they have stated in para 9 of the counter affidavit, I am just reading for your Lordship satisfaction.
Counter of respondent
The-
number 1.
Lordship.
Counter affidavit by
Counter affidavit by the college, your Lordships. Respondent number 4 and 5 in the writ petition. Your
Yes, the petitioner college, where have you pleaded that his case was rejected?
My lord, in paragraph 9 onwards, my lord, I have stated.
Para 9 of?
9 of the counter affidavit, my lord.
in the writ petition.
I am just placing para 9
Counter affidavit of the writ petition.
counter affidavit petition of the respondent number 4 and 5, who is the governing
Has
body.
been filed in the writ petition.
Lordship.
Yes.
Petition is not there.
Counter affidavit of respondent number 4 and 5.
So why can't they put flag? Where to find out? Find out.
Even in LPO Lordships, I have filed counter affidavit and I have annexed the counter affidavit of the respondent.
Sir, in the counter affidavit, in the writ petition, have they taken contention that your case has been rejected?
No.
Now he is saying, pointing out para number and all.
Lord, this is a wrong statement. Kindly see, your Lordship.
No, whether he has made statement that your case has been rejected on so and so date.
Rejected. No.
You-
No.
Lord,
Now
what-
he is saying that
Lord,
in
what-
para-
I'm just placing, Lord, kindly see. In this connection, it is relevant to mention here that the governing body of the college, after receiving recommendation as contained in Extra 3, considered the fact that the recommendation made after expiry of the affiliation may create some problems in future, sought advice from the senior advocate of this honorable court, who advised that it is not
which is the paragraph?
paragraph number 9, internal page 4 of the counter affidavit of
All
respondent.
right, read.
From beginning, your Lordship. And
Yes, go through it.
he further advised that the matter relating to appointment can be taken for consideration only after the extension of the affiliation by the competent authority in accordance with law. Now the most important, the governing body therefore in a meeting dated 9/6/2001, considering the welfare of the candidates, resolved to take a final decision in this regard after granting affiliation. The affiliation
Sir, in
as
which paragraph you have rejected? The statement of rejection?
My lord, the statement of rejection is to the effect that because there was no affiliation to the college.
Sir, where have you stated, please listen, where have you stated in your counter affidavit that the petitioner case has been rejected? Where have you stated?
My lord, in the writ petition there was no such averment, therefore I have not replied that.
Sir, unnecessarily you are prolonging the issue.
Prolonging, my
When
lord,
the court is asking you a specific question, you are not able to answer. On the other hand, you are misleading this court,
My lord-
stating that it has been rejected.
my lord, his case is dependent on Annexure 3 of the writ petition, my lord. That Annexure 3 has lost its effect after 1 year. In 2000, my lord, on 17/1/2001, my lord, it has got no life to, my lord, to be alive. And after 1 year, my lord, it was not to be implemented.
They have passed the resolution. They have rejected. No, it should be in the form of an order and communicated. Now they have to do it. He has to challenge it.
Yes, Mr. Will just dispose of directing the college authorities to issue an order rejection in terms of resolution. Then you challenge it in writ petition.
My Lord, kindly see your lordship. We are with
No,
you,
now
Lord.
we can't,
The-
we can't reopen.
My Lord,
The delay-
kindly,
delay
I am
will
placing
not
the
be there.
findings of the learned single
Sir,
judge.
rightly or wrongly, they have rejected or not? In the file it is there, though it has not been communicated to
Till
you.
date, I have not been communicated, your
Correct,
lordship.
therefore now
and-
we will ask them to communicate.
And my lord, kindly see, my lord, after serving the 33 years, duly qualified and doctorate in physics, your lordships.
Then we will reject your claim. We will allow the petition because this has not been followed by them.
Then my lord, kindly see the last.
Ultimately matter will go to them.
That is why at that relevant time when the writ court passed the order, your lordship, there was a Bihar. Kindly see the last paragraph of the direction.
Sir, we don't want to see anything.
Now, my lord, your lordships, the other similarly situated persons, they have regularized. They have approved and they have changed the name to the
All
university.
right, go and make a detailed representation. We'll ask them to consider within 3 months.
Lordships.
Yes,
Lordships.
press representation.
Lordships. I'll make
Attach all the
representation.
documents and make a press
Ah,
representation.
Because all similarly situated persons they have been approved by
Yes,
your
take down
lordship.
in the instant petition. Sorry, pursuant to the earlier order, Mr. So and so, Registrar Secretary of the University is present in the court.
Registrar, your lordship. Registrar.
Registrar so and so is present in the court. On instruction, he submitted that there is no proposal from the there is no proposal for approval of Mahesh Dutt Singh and others appointment from the Pranav Chatterjee College. First up, therefore, the university is only a formal party in the proceedings. First up, when we posed a question as to which is the relevant statute or executive order which provides for regularization / absorption of ad hoc lecturers who are appointed in affiliated college, for which it is submitted that there are no statutory provision for regularization / absorption of ad hoc lecturers who are appointed in the affiliated college. Next, learned counsel for the Mahesh Dutt Singh and others submitted that proposal to approve their appointment on permanent basis was taken up by the governing body of Pranav Chatterjee College. Thereafter, there was an inaction on their part. Thus, the petitioners Mahesh Dutt Singh and others filed writ petition seeking the following relief. They learned single judge has passed the following order. Learned single judge allowed the petition. Extract of the order of the learned single judge reads as under. Feeling aggrieved by the order of the learned single judge dated so and so passed in CWJC so and so, the present LPA 605 of 2011 is presented by the governing body, Pranav Chatterjee College and another. Learned counsel for the college submitted that though there was a proposal for approval of appointment of Mahesh Dutt Singh and others, however, it has attained in finality. It has rejected while passing a resolution give the date of resolution. Resolution dated so and so. However, college authorities have not communicated the decision stated in the resolution. In other words, grievance of the Mahesh Dutt Singh and others have been turned down. Full stop. We are in LPA. Full stop. Scope of LPA is restricted to validity of the learned single judge as to whether
96,000.
is it in terms of the relevant provision of law or not. Full stop. The college authorities have not disclosed that the grievance of Mahesh Dutt Singh and others have been rejected and kept in resolution book in the absence of communication to the persons whose rights are affected. Full stop. Next, in the light of these facts and circumstances, learned counsel for Mahesh Dutt Singh and others submitted that matter is relates back to 2005 and we are in the year 2022. At this distance of time, it is not fair on the part of the college in submitting that their grievances has been turned down while passing a resolution. Full stop. Of course, there is a delay in taking a decision as to whether Mahesh Dutt Singh and others are entitled to have their appointment approved in accordance with the relevant provision of law or not. Full stop. Learned counsel for the Mahesh Dutt Singh and others submitted that similarly situated persons, their grievances relating to approval of their appointment have been set right, whereas Mahesh Dutt Singh and others have been discriminated by the college and university. Full stop. It is to be noted that Mahesh Dutt Singh and others case is still with the college management and it has not reached the university as to give approval for their appointment pursuant to the recommendation made by the governing body, Pranav Chatterjee College. Full stop. In the light of these facts and circumstances, the Mahesh Dutt Singh and others are hereby directed to submit a detailed representation to the college authorities.
Only Mahesh Dutt Singh, Your Lordships.
Huh?
Only Mahesh Dutt Singh, not others. Others are university.
Only Mahesh Dutt.
Lordship.
Mahesh Dutt Singh is hereby directed to file a detailed representation to the college authorities while furnishing a advance copy to the university. Full stop. The college authorities dash governing body is hereby directed to take a decision on the grievance of Mahesh Dutt Singh with reference to the representation and also examine as to why the petitioner has been discriminated among others insofar as approval of his appointment to the post of lecturer. Full stop. Upon considering each and every contention to be raised by Mahesh Dutt Singh, the respondent, the governing body, Pranav Chatterjee College are hereby directed to pass a detailed order. Full stop. If there are any hurdle like having certain information from Mahesh Dutt Singh, in that event the governing body may also give a oral hearing to Mahesh Dutt Singh before passing before taking a decision. Full stop. The governing body shall take a decision within a period of 3 months from the date of petitioners, from the date of Mahesh Dutt Singh's representation, and decision shall be communicated to Mahesh Dutt Singh. If the Mahesh Dutt Singh is entitled to approval of his appointment, in that event, governing body Pranav Chatterjee College is hereby directed to forward all papers to the university for further action. University shall proceed to
In terms of 57A.
proceed to take appropriate decision, and in accordance with law, within 3 months from the date of receipt of the governing body's recommendation. With the above observation, the present petitions, present appeal stands disposed of.
My lord, your lordships will only indicate that the decision has to be taken in terms of 57A of the Bihar
Huh?
Statute. The decision has to be taken.
That you put it in writing, representation.
I'll write you.
Huh.
Just
I
only-
have already made an observation. Each and every issues which is likely to be urged by you will be considered.
My lord, secretary's appearance may my lord dispense with me, lord.
When the case stands disposed of, automatically it will go.